so far as I'm here. First of all, Michael Jordan was a difficult player. I've been a renowned analyst for basketball for over 2 decades.
Difficult in...
How dream. He had issues to play. Look, Scottie Pippen, one of the finest players of the game, who always tell you about his book that he wrote about Michael Jordan. Only were together at the Red Bulls. And he made it very... Chicago Bulls, sorry. How passing the ball to him was difficult. It's off the court attitude. Charles Barkley, he will tell you about when we were the national team, the dream team, 1992 dream team. His attitude on the court, off court, he had issues with him. Or then in Casa for years after that. BJ Armstrong will also tell the same. So, me can't see ourselves. Listen, every team a tradition. I keep on telling people a tradition. Real Madrid tradition from the 50s is to get the best players in the world and play with. Anytime you are dealing with top players, every sport athlete, we are CBI, a top has ego. You must have understanding of these things. You have issues. Every player, be an athlete, can be a basketball player, can be a football player, can be an athlete. Our big ego. The 2012 4x100-meter team of the Jamaica. Go and listen to Johan Blake after Usain retired. The structure of who goes to the 200 meters and for who will finish the anchor is him. But that decision, Blake disagreed both. But he respected both because he was a big boy. Because Johan Blake at that time was doing 9.69. He was the second best behind both. He also fully arrived as a big boy. And so Real Madrid are noted for that. Eder Militao had issues with Courtois for years. Robinho have had issues with Gravenson for years. Before he even left Madrid. Jose Mourinho, when he came, he had issues with Sergio Ramos and Casillas. One of the things was that Casillas sent a message to Xavi. And Mourinho has issues with that. But we listen to the response of Casillas. Or say, Omo free baby mba ebe say a national team. So for a team like Madrid with stars, it's no news. Where you have big players, that is where you need big coaches. Xabi Alonso is nowhere near quarter of a big coach. That was a terrible decision they took. You need big coaches to manage big egos. The only problem LeBron James is creating for LA Lakers. I can go on and on and on for years. And then remember this. So what Kylian Mbappe is doing is a normal thing for a player that is a big player. That is why you need managers, not coaches, to manage clubs and teams with big egos. Zidane's first training, Ronaldo, the Bob Bonichua. And my very good friends in football, top, Stephen Appiah, Derek, but they will tell you how as players they test coaches when you come for the first time. So these things are normal. What Mbappe is doing, and extraordinary. He's not one bit to never be. He's a big player. He's the best player in the Madrid team. Take it or leave it. He's the biggest player there. And please, which Madrid players are we talking about? Madrid do not have a good. Who is their reserve goalkeeper? Looney. Terrible. When Courtois is not there, who is their back? Who is the best player in their back four? The average players. Who is the best player in their midfield? Average players. Apart from Federico Valverde. The only strongest side for Madrid is up front. If you decide to use Vini, Rodrigo, and Mbappe, that's it. That is not Madrid. The Madrid is Zidane, even Zidane time. None. The players that are who start? Maybe so. So let's mention the players. So you have Casillas, you have Marcelo, you have Cavalla playing at the top. You have Rafa Varane, you have Sergio Ramos, you have Toni Kroos, you have Casemiro, Luka Modric, you have Gary Bale, Benzema, Ronaldo. Who start? I'm talking a carrying crop of players. Who start in that team?
Mbappe into me start ahead of Bale.
Maybe so. Don't ask me. I'm asking you. How your objective?
For me, Mbappe will start ahead of Bale.
Ahead of Bale. It's all depends on the coach and what he wants.
Of course.
That's why I always say the best 11 does not win tournament.
Yeah, sure.
Good. So if he alone will start in a Madrid that is noted for the best players in the world, that should tell you that the team has quality crisis that I've been telling you about. Formation of groupings. I've been in national team several times. Formation of groupings is it's not an issue. I am basic. Groupings are formed naturally. National team. If you have been in national team, groupings, Muslims, others, it comes naturally because of one, common culture, common language, and then also send obi suban obi ni it's a normal thing. And then when you have 2-3 big stars, they all compete among them. Everybody wants to show that is the best. That is why you need top coaches to manage these things. So Zidane, we are talking management, but he also had quality. This current Madrid team lack a lot of quality. That's the truth of the matter. No matter how good the coach is, you can be as good as the quality players you have. They don't have quality. So they don't have a balanced team in terms of quality. So they'll go through the problem they are going through. So what Madrid is going through is no news because they don't have quality. And like I said, when Madrid was dominating very well until recently, we didn't have a lot of, look, until the 2022, and I'll say this, until 2020, 2021, leading to 2022, especially 2021, leading to the World Cup being awarded to 2022. Listen, it was until Qatar decided, MN decided, make up country Nicolas Zago, the president of France, said, Oma Michel Platini, ebe to Obama, because someone take this the World Cup, no US. No. We didn't have Qatar Investment Authority. PSG was not, it's an ordinary team. So then the introduction of the billionaires and the states would definitely shrink the powers of the likes of Madrid, Manchester United, Liverpool, because now who are competing wealth, who can easily compete. Players can go there, they will not even come to your team. So the dynamics of the reality will keep changing. You have to brace yourself for the reality. Just like me, I will bring the Ghanaian edition of the yellow leagues, the same thing. Why? When the clubs, even the days of Power FC, you could see Dumas, you see the level of competition we're bringing because we're companies. And the last 3 competitions, including this one, will go to clubs that are owned by companies. What is Kotoko? It's a reality that as a club, you brace yourself to. But these are the realities I have, so that I constantly become relevant. It's not just talk or your so-called past pedigree. Nobody's interested in past pedigree. It's about the reality today. So Mbappe, what he's doing is not new. And Madrid are noted for that. And Madrid has a lot of frictions among players. Every big look. Anyway, I say like, and that's not what I want to do. Look,
so it's about the manager managing the situation. The boy in Subai.
You see, Ronaldo.
Also, the Madrid faithful.
No, I don't want to do. Please, I don't talk about supporters. Please, I'm being serious. I don't do that in my broadcast. I don't do that. I have way I do things. Please, don't tell me about faithfuls. Let's speak to the issues. When Mourinho was at Real Madrid, did he ever speak about Ronaldo until he left? So he was talking about Ronaldo's bad side. Yeah, because as a manager at that time, you need to what? Manage the ego of the player to get the results. That's it. But when he left, he was talking about the negative side of Ronaldo. Every top player have a negative side. Miss Mikato, when Odi brought it official to come present Odi cars to Barcelona players, the only player Odi car for by on the day, camera, everything was Messi. Brought Maserati. He is Messi. Nobody did, and he couldn't do foco. But he's breached it. Who are all the president or the Maserati? But how will you feel when it's all the cars, all the people? How will you feel? Maybe so. If you are the Audi president, how will you feel? Will you feel comfortable?
Obviously
but someone you know, because it's messed me. That's what it is. Every player has ego, big ego. Every top player, even your local players, they have ego, and this is great players. A player that earns 70 million in PSG for as bonus. He has money. He's a young guy. He has money. The ego must be money. But who you want? Finish yours or you know who in match robber. You this a player at Madrid, but a young guy 1 year second them a fan the trim. He need to be managed. If he's fortunate to have someone to manage here. So get that in national team, club level, every big player has attitude of ego, sport everywhere.
But the point I was putting across is if we Eagles, give you the club results On say no, Bansana a lot. Nimpan said so much concern about it. We are talking about Mbappe before his arrival at Madrid. Madrid were the champions of the La Liga, and Obaye Onyehe, apart from the I think UEFA Super Cup. The last time a league Nomoje was before he came. He left PSG, and PSG are now hugely successful. So the concern is that Ono at PSG, na attitude. Now at Madrid, with all his dominance, people believe say as he's self-centered. As a Bobo on the man.
Which players is he playing with? You have lost the fundamental argument.
Oh, but at PSG, then you're better than the PSG now.
Well, was Messi and Neymar was at PSG? Were they not at PSG?
And I make us say,
maybe take Mbappe out. I'm saying, please, in life you must learn to be objective. Was Neymar and Messi not part of him at PSG? Did they win the Champions League?
Of course, no.
Fantastic. Dynamics of situations are different. You need to understand the perspective. So I don't want to pick out Neymar when he was there. When he have come to Madrid, what players do Madrid have? He, in terms of numbers, which player in the team is better than him? He's doing the part. The rest doing their part. Are the defenders doing their part? Are the midfielders doing their part? The players I mentioned, I won the 2017 Champions League. The players I mentioned to you. Are you not the same person who said only one player can enter into the team? So the quality of the team is now, look at that. And this is a team that are noted for quality. Madrid quality is below par. That is the truth on the matter. It's complementary. What the team that won the World Cup with Mbappe. Check the quality they had in midfield. Look at the role for Pogba and N'Golo Kante play. Yeah. Giroud, Griezmann were holding up, playing very well for him. You need quality around you to deliver. The Barcelona team that won the Champions League 2009, 2011. Come on, was it really about Messi? It was about Busquets, Iniesta, and Xavi in midfield as well. So you always need a complementary quality. One individual. You are not Diego Maradona. That's why Diego Maradona was the only one that could do what he did. You are not Diego Armando Maradona in 1980s work. You are not. Mbappe is Mbappe. He can do as best as he's given to. The rest have to complement him. Even Messi. He needed to be complemented by quality players to be able to deliver the Champions League for Barcelona. So this issue about Mbappe, we are overflogging the issue. He's a young boy and it's a normal thing. Look, like I'll keep saying it again. And I'm, with all due respect, I'm speaking from experience. Messi, even at national team level, everywhere, that's what it is. You have groupings. People have groupings. Big players have attitude. Look, our national team 2008, AFCON, I will not say anything. Listen, because it is Madrid, but 2010 World Cup, do you know what happened before that our president of the federation have to kneel? Do you know why? Things are managed. So, near Babontino, and no one named near Koma Babontin. 2010 World Cup organized was the worst we've had in this country. 2010. In terms of Sikaniema, but because you're Kokota fans, you can't want them. And you got 2014. Why? 2014 because of the backlash of Sikano. But 2014, you go and listen to Ekwia Sena dance when she returned. The thing she said. Ghana. So please, let's learn to understand the issues and put it in proper perspective. Every big player is a big ego person. Every big star anywhere is a big ego person. So anyone is saying bibia account. He knows, say, or no, look, what he will give you, nobody else can give you, or somebody else give you something that is not compliant to his, or a big player. The only thing you can do is to manage him and get the best out of him. He's your player. You bought him for a lot of money. Manage him, not get the best out of him. That's it. He will not change. But why? Do you know that? Look, Olivier Giroud, Eddie Nensan, SOMPA Petrinui. Do you know how he reacted? He got upset. But that's who he is. Even if he's the devil, get the best out of the devil. The criticism will come to Mbappe near Sawyer if he's not delivering. He's not the only person that's going to deliver a cup to Real Madrid. Delivering as the striker. His numbers are they poor. On his part, he's delivering. The team, football is a team, it's not an individual sport. Football is a marathon, Babeka is a Lando marathon. Football is not an individual sport, it's a teamwork. So everybody must play their role from the coach's perspective to the team. Everybody must play their role. So you don't blame one person, say, oh, unless ABA, let's say, is an Eda Militao or an Alaba or Rudiger, where a situation occurs, you should have cleared this line and use proper judgment and body positioning and our messy up. So it means that the elementary basics are no defender or wasunya and nintin or jremu one team apply those things and a goalkeeper wrong judgment, wrong positioning, bad anticipation, reflex problem. Yeah. But this guy, he's giving his numbers. The rest of the team, Federico Valverde, he's brilliant. Anytime he's playing, he plays, he gives his best. Can you say that about the rest in the midfield? No. Can you say that about the rest in the defense? No. So why are you not one player? I'm sorry. That's not what it is. Yeah. Just putting things in proper perspective.